Hi, this is Mr. Parker. A quick lesson on percentages. You can solve basically all percentages with this format here. Parts over the whole equals x over 100. So in this example, we have 12 parts over 48. 48 represents 48 pieces to make one whole. So if you have 12 of 48, we can find out what that's equivalent to over 100 to find the percent. As you know, percent, per means 4, and cent means 100. So for every 100, how many pieces will we have here? Well, you can do, just as we're working with in ratios, the same strategy. You cross multiply, then divide by this denominator. So I started to show that work beneath here. 100 times 12 is 1,200. Then I'm dividing that by 48. 48 does not go into 12. I'm sorry, 48 does not go into 12, so I move to 120. 48 goes into 120 two times. 96. Subtract, you get 24. When you bring down that 0, it's 240. 48 goes into 240 5 times. So our answer then is 25. 25%. If there's a test with 48 questions and you only get 12 of them correct, you scored 25% correct. Another way to solve is you can just simply divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this example, we have 12 questions correct out of 48 total, so you could just do 12 divided by 48. 48 is not going to fit into 12, so we need to bring that decimal point up. Add a 0. 48 goes into 120 twice for a total of 96. Subtract 120 from 96. That will give me 24. Bring down another 0. 48 will go into 24, I believe 5 times. I'm going to double check. 48 times 5. Yep, 240. Nothing left over, so there's my answer right here. 0.25, and 0.25 can also equal 25%. Very cool. Next lesson. You can also look at your percent as a decimal. So 80% can also be written as 0.80. So 80% of 700, of means groups of, so 0.8 groups of 700. We can just simply multiply using this strategy. So you can see here we're multiplying. 700 times 0.80. Well, if we look at the ones digit, 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 7, 0. We need to add a placeholder 0 now because we're in the tens column, tens. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 7, 56. We add this up. 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. We know because we had a factor where you had to move the decimal point 2 times that we'll need to move the decimal point 2 times in our answer. So the decimal point starts on the far right side and we'll bump 2 times to the left. 1, 2. Decimal point goes right there. So 80% of 700 is 560. I hope that was clear. I hope if you have any questions, send me an email or contact me on Google Classroom. Thank you.